Hi again, welcome back. So lately I have been borderline obsessed with watching these videos that are like packing lunch for my husband, packing lunch for my kids, and they do the cutest little lunches. Well, it made me a little nostalgic for when I used to post my lunch videos. So I think I'm going to go back to it, but I won't save up a whole week's worth of videos. I'll just do them like one day at a time whenever I'm making something good for lunch. So today I started off by making a tricolor quinoa, and I cooked that in a little vegetable stock, and then I made a bigger batch so that I can freeze the rest for future lunches. That way I can just pop a little bit in the microwave, warm it up, and I'm ready to go instead of spending 25 minutes cooking quinoa. So I went ahead and did that and spread it in a little layer on the bottom of my lunch dish. Then I went in my refrigerator and found the vegetables I needed to use up quick. Like the zucchini was on his last legs, I had some carrots left over from my veggie dip tray, and I had some red onion. So I went ahead and stir-fried that up in some olive oil, and at the end I just added some bottled stir-fry sauce. Now typically I'd make my own, and I do that by using like some soy sauce, ginger, garlic, a little cornstarch to thicken it, and something sweet. Usually I use Splenda brown sugar. You can use regular or just whatever, maybe a little honey, that's good in there. If you don't do the honey, if you're vegan, you can use maybe some, I don't want to say maple syrup, I don't know if that would go good in there, but maybe some agave syrup or something like that, or a honey substitute. So I'll pop the lid on, and then I've got a protein bar, Fiber One, and a Mountain Dew Zero Sugar Frostbite for a little caffeine to get me through the afternoon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.